Time to make the easiest blueberry muffins you've ever made in your life. There's literally only 2 ingredients. I got this packet from the dollar store. You add a half a cup of milk or water. Stir that shit together. It only makes 6 muffins, which is perfect because I feel like I can't eat a dozen muffins in the time that they go bad. Anyway, I pour my batter into a measuring cup. It makes it pouring into the little cupcake liners easier. Also, I don't know if this is necessary, but I can't stand when stuff sticks to the liner, so I spray them. Anyway, pour in your batter almost up to the top. And then I used a non-stick pan, so I think I cooked it at like 375 maybe. Anyway, this is what they look like when they're done. My fiance was working a super early shift, so I woke him up with fresh blueberry muffins. I'm making a little slit to add chunks of butter, because butter and hot muffins is one of the best ways to wake up in the morning. Anyway, this is super easy and delicious, and this is what they look like. Please like and follow for more. Thank you.